Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about web crawling. This is the agenda of the session. What is web crawler, types of web crawler, what is web crawling and how it works. First, what is web crawler? Web crawler is an automated program that finds the website present on the internet and index the content. Web crawlers are generally operated by search engines. Web crawlers are known by different names like crawler, spider, spider bot, robot. Here I have mentioned widely used web crawlers like Googlebot from Google search engine, Bingbot from Microsoft, AmazonBot from Amazon, DuckDuckBot, IndexBot, Baidu Spider from Baidu search engine, Slurp from Yahoo. So these are the widely used web crawlers. Now what are types of web crawlers? Mainly there are 4 types of web crawlers. Focused web crawler. Focused web crawlers mainly focus on the content related to particular topic or related to particular domain. For example, Googlebot video. Googlebot video mainly focus on the video related content. There are many social media crawlers which focus on the contents coming from the social media. Next is incremental web crawler. Incremental web crawler is used to revisit pages in order to update the index. These type of crawler mainly used to check if your website having updated content or any new content so that they can index the updated content. Distributed crawler. Distributed crawler crawl the multiple website simultaneously. Parallel crawler. Parallel crawler crawl the multiple URLs of particular domain simultaneously to increase the crawling efficiency or download efficiency. So these are main type of web crawlers. Let's move further. What is web crawling and how it works? Web crawling is the task of finding and indexing the web pages. This action is taken care by the web crawler. The web crawler we already discussed in the previous slides. Web crawling is very much important because it helps in indexing the website so that the website can be visible in the search engine. Without web crawling, the website or web pages will not be visible in the search engine. Web crawling consists of 3 steps which I highlighted in the attached screenshot: crawling, rendering and indexing. So let's talk about each step one by one. The first step is the crawling. In the crawling, the web crawler finds the URL which needs to be crawled. Once the URLs are found, the crawler starts visiting those URLs and download the content or download the web page. After downloading the web page, that web page is given to the second step, that is related to rendering. In the rendering step, it parses the web page. During parsing the web page, if crawler encounters any JavaScript or CSS link, first it downloads the JavaScripts and CSS files, then it applies those JavaScripts and CSS. Finally, it generates the rendered content. That rendered content is given to the indexing. In indexing step, the web crawler gets some details from that page like title, description, headers. These details are fetched from the page and these details are added in the search index of the search engine. When user will search some keyword in the search engine, the search engine will check the search index and will give the result to the user. So this is how the web crawling works. First, crawler crawls the website, it downloads the page, then it performs the rendering, then it performs the indexing. So these are the 3 steps which are performed in the web crawling. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.